Hi guys. Hey, Bearded Guy Jeff Lawless is hosting a gasser street group build, and I'm going to, if I can ever get the box off, I'm going to enter it with this kit. It is the Funny Car Series gasser 427 drag car. God, really? Hang on. Okay, sorry about that. Had to take the lid off. One thing I'm right out of the box disappointed in this kit. The red tinted windows look awesome. What do you get? Clear. That's a big disappointment. It's a fairly simple kit. Of course, get your motor, interior, body, chassis and wheels. It's a fairly simple build, really. 5 steps. Wow. But yeah, it ought to be a neat, really neat kit to build. Decals are sweet. It's got Twister or Bad News, all kinds of sponsor decals, contingency decals, stripes, which are good. With this being an altered wheelbase, I'm not real sure. I mean, it's still a gasser, but it's got the altered wheelbase, so I'm not real sure how that goes, but I think it's legal. But there's the body. And just your basic bag of parts. I've never built a model before that has tires that are white plastic with the rest of the kit, but hey, first time for everything. So, fairly simple stuff. Oh shoot, I got the chrome parts inside, but oh well. Not a big deal. But that's what I'm going to enter into the group build. Bearded Guy Jeff Lawless. Gasser Street group build. And we'll keep you updated. I'm not sure on color. I'm probably going to go like a red just because Chevy 2s look cool red, but we'll see. So, alright guys, thanks a lot. Thanks for watching. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Glad you found it. Take care. Thanks.